Hey guys, welcome back to another clothes video. And right now, as you see, my mom made another doll thingy. A beautiful gown, and I just got back from school, as you see. And if I haven't mentioned, if this is your first video you watched about clothes, my name is Chloe, I'm the daughter.
From the previous clips, you know that this gown was a little bit big for this doll, so I actually adjusted it, and I also went to adjusted my pattern. So I made the pattern, adjusted my pattern based on the fit. So now I'm going to sew another green gown using this new pattern while Chloe play with her doll. Are you gonna do her hair?
Oh, before I do that, I'm gonna go get the right shoes.
Okay, so are you gonna do her hair?
Yes.
Yeah, so she's gonna do the doll's hair just as hers. So I just did her hair again and the makeup because we are going to the school's spooky spaghetti dinner tonight. Everybody is supposed to dress up. So yeah, so she basically is ready and now she's playing with her dolls while I'm sewing this green gown. So first, it's the same thing. I'm going to cut the new pattern out of this piece of paper. So I'm going to put this updated version, PDF pattern version online for you to download for free download. Remember, it's free. Go to my website and download them. And so I'm gonna cut the pattern out of this piece of paper, and I'm gonna make a green gown for this girl. I'm gonna make a green gown for this girl. Her name is Leah. Okay, now we're gonna get busy. We're gonna get busy with our own stuff. Okay. So now I cut the pattern off. You can see that. Let me compare. So this one I made it smaller. So yeah, this one will work just fine. I'm gonna cut this fabric. This is the fabric from last year's mermaid. Yeah, it's also a knit fabric. So as I said before, if you want to make this dress, I strongly suggest you to buy knit fabric because it's so much easier to work on. It has the stretch. Chloe got a visitor, so she went to another room to play with her friend and dolls. So I'm gonna keep making this. Again, now I have the one front side and two pieces of back side. It's gonna be the same thing. I'm going to sew them together and we'll be done. Same thing, 5 lines, 2 shoulder lines, 2 side lines, and 1 on the center back. So now I'm going to the sewing machine and start sewing. So there was a little glitch because I didn't pin the patterns together and I just start sewing and I misplaced the pattern. So if you're a beginning sewers, you're beginning at sewing, always pin your fabric. That's a lesson. And now I'm done. Can you believe how fast this is? Okay, let's see. So, are you guys excited to find out if we succeed or not?
Mm-hmm.
So, one more time. 5 seams. Shoulder seam, side seam, and center back seam. And you have it. And here is another new gown for your beloved American Girl doll. So now let's take a fit.
Well, just to tell you, this is my friend Rachel. She's gonna be a vampire, right?
So this
And now
is
we're
Leah,
dressing her.
because Leah has green eyes, so we're gonna let Leah try on this gown to see if it
Can it
fits.
go that way?
So this adjusted pattern is perfect. You can see it got some curves and it's not too big, and the length is just fine, and then we have a little bit of slip. So if you like, you can leave the slip higher, but yeah, this would be it. If you have a girl who is very interested in mermaid, and you can also make one for your daughters to match, right? Yeah. So definitely go to my website and download the free pattern and make something for your dolls or for your daughter or for whoever, for your friends.
Did you know Leah? She looks perfect for the Little Mermaid, except if we dyed her hair red, that would look more like the Little Mermaid.
If we have a red hair American Girl doll, that would be awesome. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye!